dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Quickly just showing you what I'm going to be eating for lunch today. I'm going to be having some of this, a orange vanilla Diet Coke Zero, some mild cheddar cheese, and some Applegate natural uncured pork and beef pepperoni. Because I brought chicken today, I was running late and I don't have time to find my battery in my purse, so that's lunch. Look what came! Yay! I'm so excited! I'm so excited for the pumpkin spice lollies. Thank you so much, Lollis, for sending this to me. I love it. Love pumpkin spice. Love that. Thanks for the little card. I'm going to try this right now. Beautiful as ever. You guys. Oh my god, this is so good. 1 net carb. 1. For 28 grams, it is 1 net carb. It has pecans, almond flour, erythritol and stevia blend, olive oil, orange zest, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, cloves, and egg. This is so good. So, so, so good. Look at it. You want to see a kid reaction? You just... What do you think? It's a cookie cluster. Pumpkin spice. Very good.
They're pretty good.
Corey, you want to say hi to your friend?
Hi. Hi, Scott.
So today is just a day of getting everything in the mail. I received this from Left Coast Performance. I have tried many of their things and I've not been disappointed. The only thing I never really tried was MCT oil pills that they sent me. These are multi-collagen protein capsules. It's definitely for the collagen benefits, but definitely an option if you didn't like to put it in your coffee or your drinks and things like that, and you'd rather just take a pill. Which this kind of came at a good time because I'm literally almost out of my biotin and my probiotic from Physician's Choice, and really almost out of this just generic collagen. So I'll be taking, well, it says 3 a day. Oh, take 3 capsules once a day. So 3. There's 180 in here. I'm gonna try them. Probably one of the saddest days of my life. My Keto Chow house is empty. I'm so sorry, this is such a crappy vlog. I made myself a little salad. I'm drinking a Zevia. I'm gonna try the sugar-free barbecue honey flavored sauce with my steak. I'm not gonna eat this whole steak. I'm definitely not going to eat this whole steak. This is the section that I'm going to eat. I keep having the hiccups. I'm so sorry. I'm definitely bringing this to my boyfriend's house, and that hiccups. You guys, this is a horrible vlog.